This video took 20 minutes to make and it brought in $100,000 in the last 30 days. This, an even worse video, an even lower quality of a video, probably took 5 minutes to make, and this one made the creator a whopping $200,000 in the last 30 days. So you're probably wondering, okay, what is happening here? What is this? You're just showing me some videos on TikTok and saying that this one made 100K, this other one made $200,000. What exactly is happening here? There's a lot on the internet that people tell me not to trust. This is probably one of those things. Why should I trust you? Well, I'm gonna show you guys the analytics for these creators. I'm gonna show you the analytics for these products. I'm gonna show you exactly why they made what they made. I'm gonna take it a step further. I'm gonna show you from A to Z on how you could also create videos like that, from picking a product, writing the content, finding the photos, and making the exact same video without even showing your face, and potentially making life-changing money. Now look, I'm gonna tell you guys this, and I want you to take it a little bit seriously, because life tends to throw opportunities in your path randomly. And a lot of times, a lot of us don't even recognize these opportunities. And these are the type of opportunities that if we take it, it is life-changing. And I want you to treat this as one of those opportunities. Even if you don't trust this video, even if you don't like my face, even if you don't know who I am, and this video has 4 or 5 views, even if you really don't want to do any of this, the worst that can happen is you wasted 20 minutes of your life. The best that can happen is you made some life-changing money. I want you to take it seriously. I want you to follow this video from beginning to end and actually give this a try, because this business model makes sense and a lot of people are using it to make a lot of money. Before I give you guys a step-by-step tutorial on how to make these videos yourself, I want to teach you exactly and tell you exactly what the TikTok affiliate program is and how it even works. So let's imagine I have this pen. This is a unique pen. It's a cool pen. It's a fountain pen. It's a pen that not a lot of people have. And I make a video, and in that video I have a hook. And in that hook, I come after you. I tell you, look, it's because of a lack of a cool pen like this in your life that you're not doing well in school, because your pen right now is a boring pen. It can't write fast enough. You're not motivated to take your studies seriously. And because of that, you're not even motivated in life. It's all because of this pen. It's because of a lack of this cool pen. And then in that video, I'll post a link where people can click on it and they can buy my cool fountain pen. And every person that makes that purchase, every sale that happens, I get a percentage of that sale. That, my friends, in a nutshell, is the TikTok affiliate program. You find a cool product that somebody else makes, you make a very enticing video where you market the hell out of that product, you post a link, and then you just wait for people to buy this product, where you sit back and you make a lot of money. All right, one more thing before we get into the tutorial, let's go ahead and watch this video, because I want to point something out to you all. And also, let's go ahead and take a look at the analytics of how these videos made all that money.
If a man took CMOS every day for a month, this is what might happen to his body.
So let's pause it right there. If a man took CMOS every day for a month, so you're like, CMOS, what is CMOS? Right off the bat, there's a hook and you're wondering, okay, what is CMOS? Why would a man take something that I know nothing about? So you're enticed to watch this video more to find out what CMOS is. And then the second thing that they point out is, if he takes CMOS, this magical substance that you know nothing about, then here's what's gonna happen to his body. So then you're even more allured into the video to see, all right, I want to know what happens if this guy takes CMOS.
On day 1, he might feel signs of discomfort due to his pencil getting rock hard, as CMOS increases circulating blood flow to your Johnson. He also will feel an increase in energy right away, due to the absorption of the essential 92 vitamins.
So this video, right off the bat with a hook, and then the second thing, it just promises you all these things in one supplement about how you can have everything that you want as a man. Better sex drive, more energy, more testosterone, and you can do it all if you take CMOS. So this shows you exactly how powerful that hook can be. Now, if we go into this profile, so the guy that made this video, these are the exact same videos that he makes. His channel name is Nestle. These are literally the kind of videos that he makes. And this one specifically got 4.2 million views, and this is the one that did the best for him. So if we go to a website called Calo Data, and then we search up Nestle, you can see that in the last 30 days, this gentleman made $95,000. So he makes over $3,000 every single day. And it's from this video off of selling this exact product, right? So you can see the analytics here. Now, since we're on this page as well, let's go ahead and take a look at our other video, this one, right? This is the most basic video ever. If you go to Calo Data for this one, it's by a creator called Mila Mi Amor 4. She made $212,000 in the last 30 days. And if you go down, it's exactly from that video, and it's exactly from a supplement product as well. Let's go ahead and show you how to make this video. So to make the video, you need a few things. Number one, we have to pick a product, obviously. And number two, write a script for that product. Very importantly, the script has to have a hook because you want to make this video as enticing as possible. And you want to make people click on that link as much as possible. Number 3, you want animated images to kind of tell your story in your video. And I'll show you how to do that with an AI tool. Number 4, you want to take that text speech and turn it into an audio. And I'll show you an AI tool on how to do that as well. And then 5, you just kind of compile all that into a very enticing video that people will click on and watch. And the edit part I'm not going to show you because you at this point of your life should know how to edit a video. If you don't, then there's a bunch of videos online that show you how to use different editing softwares. I use Final Cut Pro. And the biggest reason why I'm not going to show you my edit and how I edit is because I want to keep your imagination intact when it comes to making this actual video, because there's going to be a million videos like this on TikTok. And I want your imagination to be one that actually picks out on how it wants to edit this video so that it stands out amongst all those other videos on TikTok. So I'll leave all of that up to you. To pick a product, we're going to go back into Kalo data, click on category, and in that category, we have a health section. And the reason why you want to pick health is because a lot of people tend to spend money on supplements, right? Supplements sell so well when it comes to TikTok's affiliate program. First of all, it's not that expensive. People can afford it. And second of all, people love the idea of a supplement doing so much where all they have to do is just take a pill, drink some water, and then watch it do magic. And the reality of it is that a lot of these supplements, they actually do work. A lot of them are FDA approved. So it's not like we're selling them a dream that is not going to come to reality. So for example, let's say I pick this product. If you click on details, it sells between $13 to $90, and it gives you a TikTok product link as well. So what you want to do, there's 2 ways you can write this script, right? Number 1, you can go to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT something like, hey, write a script for a supplement that has ashwagandha, that has black seed oil, and it has sea moss, and keep it under 150 words. And then watch it do that for you. But I don't want you to do that right away because I want you to write the hook for the script yourself. I don't want you to rely on ChatGPT for that. So to write the hook, again, you want to lure the person that is watching this video in right away, right? So words like, your life is going downhill. You have no energy to work. Your heart is unsatisfied. So things like that, right? Where somebody's that's reading it, they're like, okay, you're right. My life does feel like it's going downhill. A lot of people would relate to this. You have no energy to work. Everyone feels lazy. Like everyone, every single day complains about being lazy, not having enough energy. So a lot of people will relate to that as well. Your partner feels unsatisfied. Now this one, some people might relate to, some people might not. If you don't, then good for you, honestly. But there might be people that be like, yeah, I don't even have a partner. So maybe the first thing I should do is to find a partner, right? So keeping your partner satisfied is very important. So at this point, we can go back to ChatGPT and we can write a script like that. Create me a script about a supplement that contains Irish sea moss, black seaweed, ashwagandha, bladder rock, talk about all the benefits, and keep it under 150 words. So let's see what it gives us. And I'm using ChatGPT 4, by the way. I don't think it matters what you use, but I just feel like this one gives you better answers. So right away, introducing Nature's Shield, a powerful blend of nature's most potent seafoods, superfoods, Irish sea moss, black seaweed, ashwagandha. It's an all-in-one supplement and then tells you specifically what each one is good for. So black seaweed is renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties, ashwagandha. So you can take this, right, things that you like out of this, and you can copy and paste it into your script. So I'm going to do this now. I'm going to actually start writing my scripts. All right, so we have our script ready, right? So we have the hook right in the first 5 seconds. And then we talk about things like, it gives you a gut-wrenching feeling, this, feeling empty and, keeping, like having low energy levels and keeping your partner unsatisfied. That feeling is not good, right? But then you discover something new, something special. You discover Irish sea moss, a magical substance only found in nature. So you create something similar to this where someone that's reading this is going to be like, all right, this is good. This is promising me a lot. I want to click on it. I want to buy this product. So what you want to do at that point is once you have your script, you want to copy this. You want to go to a website called 11 Labs and sign up. It's free. On 11 Labs, I pick Adam. There's all kinds of voices, right? Alice, Brian, Chris. Adam tends to be the one that people use a lot, but you can play around with different voices to see which one suits your product or your niche more, right? So if you paste it here, generate speech.
Your life is going downhill. You have no energy to work. Your partner is unsatisfied, and month after month, you begin to feel empty, and you think that this gut-wrenching feeling just won't go away. But then, you discover something new, something special. You discover Irish sea moss, a magical...
All right, so we have our audio here. The next thing that you want to do is you want to go to ChatGPT. You would have to pay for this subscription. One of the old things you're going to have to pay for. because you want the image generator. So now you have your script. What you want to do is you want to go line by line, or you can tell ChatGPT, create a high definition image for a person whose life seems to be going downhill. They look sad and upset. So you want to go line by line, and then you want to type exactly what kind of an image you want this AI tool to spit out. All right, so here's what we have so far for the images. So our first prompt was, your life is going downhill. So I was like, create a high definition image for a person whose life seems to be going downhill. They look sad and upset. And the image generator gave us this image right here, right? So, and then you can play around with this. So you can, if you don't like this, if you don't think this image is too good to look at, or it's not enticing enough, you can, regenerate the photo, or, recreate something else. So I was like, image is too dark, make it a little bit easier to see, right? Give us a different image, something more lighter to look at. Our second prompt was, you have no energy to work. And I was like, show me an image, something like of a gentleman that looks that tired, that have low energy levels. And it gave us something like this, right? The third prompt as well, somebody that's that tired, I was like, play around with this image. I was like, this guy doesn't look too tired. This image honestly was a little bit too peaceful to look at, right? This is not really an enticing image. So I was like, make it a little bit more tired, make his skin look dead, give him dark circles, and make him almost look scary, right? Because images like this are what entices people to look at, be like, what is going on with this? How do you solve this issue through a supplement, right? So they tend to click on it a little bit more, and the engagement is a little bit better with these sort of images. So yeah, play around with it and have these images. This one right here was like, I was like, show me a couple. So for the prompt, we have your partner is unsatisfied, right? I was like, show me a couple where the the wife looks unsatisfied, and it gave me this. And I was like, show me something where she looks more unsatisfied. So we got this image. So anyways, we have our images. So we have our audio, we have our script that we turn into audio, we have our images, and then the last piece that you need for the edit is captions. For the captions, you can use a tool called feed.io, or you can use Captions, which is an application on your iPhone. So once you create the video on whatever editing software tool that you use, transfer it over to your iPhone, and then you can use the Captions application that you can buy at the App Store, and it will just literally generate all the captions that you need for the video. All right, so you have everything in place. All you need at this point is create a TikTok page, put a description on what the page is about, and then start posting videos like this. And the more you post, the more chances you have that one of these videos is gonna go viral, and you can also have one of these videos that creates you $100,000 or $200,000 in 30 days, which again is life-changing money, and I hope that you also take advantage of that. All right, I hope this video brought you guys some value, and I hope that you actually follow through and make a video yourself and post it, and hopefully you'll make that life-changing money as well. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.